Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to connect your Xbox and the PS5 console in single monitor or TV. For example, I have this monitor Samsung Odyssey Neo G7. Okay, it supports two consoles at one time. So we need to connect two HDMI port. Example, I have already connected this Xbox here on the left side, and the right side I have a PS5. So you can connect both. Okay, and now first we need to go to the settings, come to settings. Okay, settings, here we need to choose multi-view. So choose multi-view. Now we need to add it. Okay, so already I have a PS, so add view. So guys, now we can play two consoles in one monitor. Like you can play dual PS5, or you can use Xbox and PS5, or you can use even Nintendo Switch or PS5. So you can use whatever the console you have. So see, now my friend is going to use this Xbox. So choose that. Yes. Okay, cool. So here I'm going to play some games. WWE 2K25. So that's it friends, is the way you can connect two consoles in Samsung Odyssey Neo G7. So that's it friends, hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.